take that as a no. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a few PR packages and I also have a few purchases, and I thought I would just haul everything with you because tomorrow we are getting our moving
Yes, buddy.
He knows I turn on the camera. So tomorrow we are getting the moving truck, and that means I need to pack all this stuff up. And I finally got to a point where all of my packages are actually getting where they need to be. I hope. I think it's all done. So I got a ton of packages and I want to share them with you. I am going to include a couple things that you may have seen in vlogs, but if you don't watch my vlogs, definitely check them out. It is just like normal life stuff, but I do throw in a lot of packages that I get, cleaning, organizing, daily life, kitties, shopping, lots of stuff. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. So first off, I think this is probably one of the older ones that I'm going to show you today. This is from Glamglow, and this is the Barbie collection, which you may have seen this box from other people. And I admit, I saw someone open this and I was like, oh my god, I'm so jealous, I want it. And then what do you know, it showed up. So this is the cute packaging. First of all, check out the Barbies. Like, I was obsessed when I was younger, so this is like so right up my alley, and it has a few products in it. First off, it has a little sticker sheet. It also has the Barbie edition of the Glamglow Super Mud. Now this is one of my all-time favorite products from them. If you don't know, this mask is just really good for pores and good for breakouts, and it just agrees with my skin. So this is the Barbie version right here. The packaging is different. It is so freaking cute, and I was just saying like, oh, I need to repurchase, and I was on the fence like I should get like the really big one before I left Sephora while I still had a discount, and then I got this package, so I was really excited. It also came with this really adorable headband. Like, how freaking cute is this? I love it. And then it also included the glow starter in the Barbie limited edition color, which looks like this. Hello. If you're not familiar with this, this is just a glowy moisturizer, and this one has like a light pink hue, but it's not going to look like pink on your skin if that's, you know, anything that you're like, oh, I don't want to look like that. It's really not going to show up like that. It just has like a little bit more of that hue to it. This also smells like an orange dreamsicle, so it's so pretty. And it just gives you a little glow. It's not like insane if you're worried about that. And also, like, I feel like all skin types could enjoy this. I'm like dry combination and I love it. It smells so freaking good. So that's my package from Glamglow. Thank you so much to Glamglow for sending that over to me. I also got a Benefit Club pink package. I think I got two different ones, and I think I may have already recycled the box from the other one, but it was 3 mini mascaras. It was like all their mascaras. This one's a little different. Oh my god, I'm so crazy. I actually combined some packages, so this is nice. So this is actually 2 packages in one. So the Benefit one, they sent me their 24-hour brow setter and a Browvo conditioning primer, which again, I think I talked about this particular package in a vlog, but I love getting their brow products because to me they are some of the best. And inside this box is also some things from Nug, so I think I just combined them after I showed you guys on Instagram. But this little mask set is so cute. It has 4 masks, the Total Refresh, Aqua Boost, Super Bright, and Double Detox. A really cute little set. And I do have a coupon code. It is Amy, just my first name, and it will save you, I think it's 15% plus free shipping. You have to spend $25 before you get the discount, I think. But the code is just Amy. They also included a little mask brush, and they included this little face cloth, which is super nice. It's like a little washcloth size, but I love that it has like a little loop on it so you can hang it up. I think this is going to be really good to use for skincare. I have a couple loose things that I got in PR. So first off, I was so excited to get this one. This is the new Kopari Hydrating Body Wash. Of course, it has coconut and it's also cruelty free. So this one, I mean, honestly just sounds amazing, like a coconut body wash. And when I saw people use this, I was like, oh my god, I need it right now. And I'm so glad that they sent it to me. You guys know I love their stuff. The Starry Eye Balm is like something I use every single day under my eye to keep it hydrated. I feel like that is the reason that I do not have lines forming over here. I swear, it's like so emollient, so good for the eye area. And I love their deodorant as well, but so many of their products I've tried and loved. I cannot wait to use this. I think this is the first thing that's going in my shower the moment we get moved, probably like right after we move and I need to like shower and refresh. I'm gonna try this out, so I'll keep you guys updated. Be sure to check out my vlogs, and I also have a coupon code for Kopari. It is again just Amy. I'll go ahead and put that up here too. I think I have 3 brands that I have codes with that are just my first name, and I love that they're all the same because I have a hard time remembering them. So I'm so excited, and thank you to Kopari for sending this. Also thank you to Benefit and Nug for sending me those goodies too. Also from Henriksen, the Banana Bright Face Primer. They sent this over, and this was like trapped at the post office for a while, and I'm excited for this one. I already know and love this product, so this is a backup for me, but this is a really good primer. It hydrates, it brightens the complexion, it just looks beautiful on the skin. So sometimes even using this primer alone can be really, really pretty just over top your moisturizer, but I love this as a primer. It's got vitamin C to brighten, and it just works beautifully under makeup. So thank you to Ole Henriksen for sending me that. I'm going to switch gears for a minute and talk about a few purchases. So I did make one more Sephora purchase after I did my big Sephora haul. So I got the Tropez Gradual Tan Watermelon. I think I showed this in a vlog as well, but I'm really excited to use this. I'm getting back into tanning, and I feel like for me, sometimes I'm just not really good about applying the mousse, so I figure like a daily lotion, I could try it out, and I have liked Tropez in the past. And then the one other thing I got from Sephora is the Huda Beauty Tantour. I've had my eye on this for quite some time now, and I don't know why I didn't pick it up, but I don't have a lot of cream bronzers and contour, so I figured this would be a really good addition to my collection. And yeah, I'm just really excited to try it out. I got the shade Fair. Shocker. I also ordered some stuff from e.l.f. and this came really, really quick. So I saw that they had these new facial oil mists, and I was immediately like, yes, give them to me. So I picked up 3. I got these Soothing, Loving, and Energizing, and they look so pretty. Look at those. And these are really affordable. I think they were $5 each, and they just have like an oil infusion in them, so they feel mostly like a watery consistency. They feel very refreshing, so it doesn't feel like you're spraying oil directly on the face. Like I tried one out and it's actually really, really pretty. I think I tried out the Energizing in my vlog, so let me try the Soothing one. I did a chemical peel earlier and my skin would like not calm down for the longest, so I feel like this is a really good one to use. That one has neroli in it and it feels so good. The other one did too. I think they're all really refreshing, but I love a little bit of like a glow to the skin, so these are right up my alley. I also got some of their bite-size face duos. I picked up 4. These are only $3 a piece, so I just could not pass it up to give these a try. Look how pretty they are. Most of them are blushes and highlights, but I think this one's meant to be a contour. It is coconut. So pretty. It's a little bit cloudy right now, so sorry if the lighting sucks. That's what that one looks like. This one is lychee. This looks so pretty. Got guava, a little bit more bright and corally, and then watermelon, which watermelon I was assuming would look a little bit different than it really does. I thought it would be something more pink, but it still looks really cute, and I love a more subdued blush, so I think this is perfect. Hello, Miss Aminas, excuse me. And they also threw in something for free. This is their little under eye powder, which is actually really good if you need a super affordable one. And then I also have my Trendmood Box Volume 6. So it got there a while ago, and then it's been sitting at the post office. So it has a lot of things. First off, I've actually used the palette and I have it on today. This is the Nabla Secret, is it Secret Garden? Anyway, it's the Nabla palette. I'll put a picture on the screen, and I actually really love it. I've done yesterday's eye look and today's using that palette, and I think it's really pretty. I went overboard because I was doing my makeup in the bathroom, which to me, like, I don't know. I'm so used to sitting down at my vanity that not having my mirror here, I just didn't know what to do. So I went a little crazy. I mean, it might be a little bit much, but it's okay. And also from Nabla in there was the Miami Lights Glitter Palette, which looks like this. I never thought about picking up a glitter palette, but this is really sleek. Look how thin it is. Like, it's not a lot to it, so it's very easy to store. And these look super pretty. Swatch this pink guy. Maybe you can see. Look, it's got like a little duochrome effect to it. So pretty. That flashes so many different colors. So definitely excited to try this out too. It also had the First Aid Beauty Niacinamide Brightening Eye Cream. So First Aid Beauty is really good if you have sensitive skin, if you want something basic. So that's the little eye cream packaging. It also included 2 things from Lily Lashes, which I'm really excited to try this. It has the Power Liner Lash Adhesive Eyeliner. So this is meant to be put it on as an eyeliner, and it's also your lash glue at the same time. So literally apply your liner and then attach the lash. So this is the Miami Lashes, and I think these are faux mink, which I would obviously prefer. No need for real mink. and up to 20 uses per pair. And Miami are a little bit more dramatic, but they are really pretty at the same time. So there you go. The Marc Jacobs At Lashed Lifting and Volumizing Mascara. I know I want to try this, but I'm not going to open it up just yet to keep it as fresh as, I want to keep it as fresh as possible, but this packaging is not what I expected. It's hard to even tell, but it has lines on it. Oh, they usually have silver on their packaging, so I'm just like weirded out that they did this ugly gold. I mean, that doesn't really matter. I don't like the packaging, but I'm more interested in how the mascara performs, and I usually really like their mascaras, so I'm definitely trying it. I also got 3 Milani Fruit Fetish lip balms. So these all came in there. Look how fun. I love that they include multiples in the Trendmood box. Like, it's not just like one of the new ones, but you get 3. And I think that's really exciting because, I don't know, I always want to try multiples. I think I have a weird number thing. That like, I don't want to have just one of something, but 2 also isn't right. 3 I can deal with. Like, I need to not be that way because that just makes me want to buy more things. I need to calm down. All right, still in the Trendmood box, 2 more things. We got the makeup eraser, just the original pink cloth. I'm gonna share this with someone else because I have a couple of these and I have other cleansing cloths too, and I just ordered some face halos. So yeah, I mean, it's decent. It's not my favorite way to remove makeup, but they are good and they're good on the environment too. And then finally, the makeup eraser, the sponge. Now, I said this in my vlog, this packaging is ridiculous. Like, it's just so big and bulky. Now, granted, you are getting a case in here, which I do think is cool, but I hope that they give you the option to just buy the sponge, because if they sell it only with the case and you're getting a new plastic case every time, that's bad. So hopefully they do it separately, but this is a new product and I am excited to try it. Makeup eraser is not like one of my favorite brands because all they've had in the past is their eraser that I'm aware of, and it's always been something that's like, yeah, it's nice, but it's not my favorite thing. So I'm excited to try this out and see how it goes. All right, that was it for my Trendmood box. Now I have this package from Pure, which I honestly could not believe that this actually came. I just thought for sure it was going to be canceled, but I got the Raw Beauty Kristi Pure palette. Again, just so cute. I loved this for her. I really bought it to support, but honestly there was no need because it sold out like crazy. And I love the artwork on it. If you can see all of that, so cute. They also included this liner, the Pure On Point eyeliner in Down to Earth. And this reminds me of the Smashbox packaging. Really like it, like they stay sharp. And this looks like a really deep brown. They also put a card in here, which I didn't have a lot of issues because I can't believe I got my package at all. But it says, we're sorry, and they gave you like a coupon code and the eyeliner for all the problems with the orders, which, I mean, that was so sweet. I didn't feel like that was necessary at all, but I'm not going to complain about this eyeliner. And of course, you've probably seen this palette, but it is 2-sided. You have your neutrals, and then you also have all the colorful shades. So pretty, but I really wanted to support. I like Pure and I love Raw Beauty Kristi too. I think she's so sweet. So there's that. So I found this is Saint Region. There was like a Zulily sale. You guys ever check out Zulily and it can just be like a black hole because there's so much, but I saw this jewelry brand on there and I just thought it was so cute. So I thought this was a layered necklace, but it's actually 2, and it has 2 chains. One has a lock and one has a key, and they're different sizes. This is very lightweight, very costume, but I also think it's really, really cute. Like layering necklaces. I personally am not going to go out and buy real gold necklaces to like layer and things that I'm not going to use all the time. So I don't mind, you know, having some costume stuff like this, but I thought it was really cute. And it was like 15 bucks or something. And yeah, you'll see me wearing those soon. I also got a package from Good Molecules. They have been sending me for a while a few things here and there. And this is a new release. This is their Discoloration Correcting Serum. It's for evening your skin tone. I'm currently using their Super Peptide Serum. I'm actually almost done with it and I really like it. I feel like my skin has been really plump with it. Like, I haven't been using a lot of other serums these last couple of weeks while I've been packing all my stuff up, but this is the Discoloration Treatment Serum. I do have a lot of discoloration and it's always something like in my cheeks I'm pretty self-conscious about, so I always wear foundation, so I'm really keen to give this a try. Good Molecules is also a really affordable brand. You can get them on Beautylicious website, and I fell in love with them when I got some things in my lucky bag. Then they reached out to me and wanted to send me a few things, and I was like, absolutely, I already love your stuff. So I'm really excited to try out the new product. Thank you so much to Good Molecules. All right, I got some stuff from Liquid IV, so I want to show you guys that too. Now with Liquid IV, I have a coupon code, but it's not an affiliate code, it's just a discount, and it is Amy_Erica, just like my name on here and on Instagram. And they also stocked me up on some new stuff. So I got their new flavor, the Seaberry, and I've already been drinking this. I love it. This one's like fruity, but it's hard to describe because it's a little bit citrusy, but not tangy. It's like, I don't know, I really don't know how to describe this, but it tastes really good. It's not super tangy and it's not super sweet either. It's a more like mild fruity flavor. Love it. And then also they sent me their Passionfruit. This is one of my favorites from them, just their Liquid IV. I love this. It just really hydrates your body, and I drink them pretty much every single day. They also included this tote bag. It says change the world, and it's like a little canvasy bag. These are so handy. I'm probably gonna pack up some of the stuff in this bag right when I get done filming this because I need to get cleared out. 3 more little packages. So I got from Menagerie Cosmetics, and I was waiting on these and super excited. I want to do a lip swatch, and I'll still do that. It's just going to be a little bit later than I'd like. They sent me some lip shades, and here they are. I love their little foxy packaging. It is so cute. Let's open one. This is Serum. I think some of these colors are new. Ooh, look how pretty. I like that. So I will swatch these probably on Instagram, and you'll probably see me using them on my channel too. But thank you so much to Menagerie for hooking me up with lips. I'm so excited to finally have them. I think they were being held hostage at the post office as well, but thank you guys so much. Also got a package from Goli, and I love these gummies. I actually ordered more, so now I think I've got like 6 bottles. But I'm not complaining. I'm super happy. So they sent me 3 bottles of the Goli apple cider vinegar gummies. I also have a coupon code for this. It is just Amy. So if you guys are ever wondering, Nug, Kopari, and Goli, you can just use my first name, Amy, A-M-I-E, to save and get a discount on any of their products on their websites. So thank you so much to Goli for stocking me up. I love these, and I really tried to do the apple cider vinegar liquid, and I just couldn't stand it. And I had somebody message me that said, you should just drink it. I'm like, well, I don't want to. I think it's gross. These actually taste really good, and I've let other people try them, and they said the same thing. They're like, oh, they're actually really good. Like, I need to stop myself from eating too many of them. And I'm like, exactly. They're really yummy, and you get all the good benefits of apple cider vinegar. So really excited to be stocked up on my Goli. And then I have one more package, and this is also from Nug. Let's see. Look how cute. Oh my God. I had one of these, and I actually got a hole in it. This is a little unicorn. It's like a little floaty drink holder that's a unicorn. It is so cute blown up. I'm excited to have this. I actually use this in a bath, and maybe that's a little bit ridiculous, but it's super cute and fun. And let's see what else. Oh, they stocked me up on my favorite. This is the Happy Lips Cocoa Shine Lip Balm. Manners. He's trying to eat tissue paper. I think I said in my other video, like, I lose these, but I really love them. But I don't know, I just misplaced them. I don't know what it is with these. And they also put in their Morning Glow Watermelon Sleeping. Oh, I am so stupid. I was like, wait, it's a morning mask, but you sleep in it. You're glowing in the morning because you slept in it. I'm so stupid. And their products are clean as well, which is really cool. And the Miracle Mud Super Detox, and also the Aqua Boost. So really cute. Anytime you pick up Nug, it's like clean beauty, good ingredients, but they're also really affordable. If you happen to use my discount, let me know what you get, because I think their products are really good and they're super affordable. And these are like the best stocking stuffers too. Like, I know it's too early to think about that, but at Christmas time, these are like the best. So thank you to Nug for sending that package over. And that is everything in this haul. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I know that this is like a weird setup, a weird time. I'm on the floor. Mr. Manners cannot keep his teeth to himself. He's trying to chew on everything. So me and him are about to clean this room up, right? Take that as a no. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave me a big thumbs up if you did, and I will see you really soon in my next video.